What happened to your Nintendo, you said, sir?
So I was playing Fortnite at night, and then when I woke up the next morning, it wasn't charging. So, I called my dad and I told him to come here because I've seen your videos before. Do you think you can fix it, please?
Don't worry. I got you.
Thank you. Good boy.
Your Nintendo is ready, sir. Now it's good to go.
Oh my! Finally, I can play my games now. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Good?
Yeah.
Everything in there?
Yeah. Oh my.
Which game you missed the most?
Rocket League.
Rocket League?
Yeah.
Why?
I was like really good at it. I used to play it a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, now you have it.
Yeah, now we're ready to pay. Hold it. Don't drop. Débito, débito.